Hari Om. Today I am going to discuss about oil pulling. It's a very effective treatment in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, this treatment known as Kavala and Gandusha. This treatment nowadays is very popular in out of India and in India as well. So, what the benefit of this treatment? What kind of the oil we can use? I'm going to discuss today. So, this treatment is very effective for Vata Pitta problems. What kind of Vata Pitta problems? Means mouth related problem. So in this treatment, we are holding the oil. We can use sesame oil, we can use coconut oil, we can use honey, we can use milk, we can use ghee. It's a different options according to the dosha, or we can use medicated oil. So when mouth is a location of kapha, especially bodhaka kapha, what the function of this kapha? Taste perceptions, our oral hygiene. But when we have imbalance of vata, like dry mouth, dry lips, cracking tongues, sensitivity of teeth, cavities, these are high vata conditions and kapha getting lower. Or if it is the pitta conditions, pitta imbalances like bleeding gums, mouth ulcers, tongue ulcers, pitta getting higher, kapha getting lower. So in both conditions, kapha getting lower. So how we can improve kapha? So oil pulling is one of the best treatment to improve kapha. So especially for pitta conditions, pitta imbalance, we can use coconut oil because it's cool nature. And for vata conditions, we can use sesame oil, or if another dosha or all three dosha imbalance, then we are using medicated oil. So we can hold this oil around 10 to 15 minutes. Another benefit for this treatment is wonderful for a kind of detox also, because we have two kind of toxins, water soluble and fat soluble toxins. And with this treatment, we can take out the fat soluble toxins from the mouth. And another benefit of this treatment is really helpful to improve the circulation for the face. So very good for wrinkles also. We can practice this treatment. It should be the part of lifestyles. Once or twice a week we can practice this oil pulling. So if you practice, you can see the benefits. So this is for today for oil pulling. Thanks very much.